Cooking with Camille. Alright guys, so on today's cooking segment, or cooking, segment, we're gonna make bang bang shrimp tacos. Babe is cleaning the shrimp right now. The other ingredients we have is, I'm about to call it thyme. Cilantro. I don't do purple cabbage. I don't do any cabbage actually. So 2 vegetable oils, sriracha, sweet red chili, and buttermilk. Every other ingredient we have in the crib. The rest of the ingredients pretty much seasoning and cornstarch, but I gotta go get the cornstarch. In fact, this is my first time making this. I've never made this before, and it should be interesting. Your girl knows how to cook, if y'all didn't know. I dibble and dabble in the kitchen a little bit, you know, nothing too serious, but like, you know, I got my shoe stuff with me today. We both washed our hands already, and I'm not about to, like, I'm not gonna ever act with y'all. Like, I don't wear gloves to cook, so I'm gonna just use my hands. So we'll come back to you when all the shrimp are cooked, no, cleaned, and their tails are cut off. Alright guys, so now that all the shrimp are clean, I'm gonna start heating up the oil now. Then I'm gonna season the shrimp. Then I'm gonna make the batter, and yeah. Okay guys, so basically what I'm doing here is I'm dropping in a like cube size of butter. I'm seasoning with garlic powder, garlic salt, paprika for color, Old Bay, Lorry seasoning salt, and I mix it up with my hands. I just told y'all that earlier, while Babe is gonna get the buttermilk ready, which is the batter for it. Alright guys, so now that we got the buttermilk in here and I seasoned up the shrimp, this smells really, really good. I'm gonna season up a little bit of the buttermilk, and I'm gonna season up the flour.
Corn mix don't even go in it.
What? You're in my way, actually, babe. Back. You don't know me like that. Yeah, so I'm about to season this up, and then I'm gonna show you my trick on how I get my shrimps really, really crunchy. I use flour, obviously, like everybody else, but I also use cornstarch. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the flour in this, the batter in this, and just go back and forth between the two. Okay, so yes, I do not only season my flour, but I season my batter too. I'm just all for flavor. A trick I've learned from a mukbanger on YouTube, I can't remember her name, is to put sazon in your flour, so that way it can give it a little bit of color when it's done. Alright y'all, so yeah, so we trying to get all the little scrumptious seasoning in here, put in the buttermilk, but I'm about to see if the oil is ready. Babe, you look like, know what you look like right now? Where's her Kelly? So I'm gonna throw some water in the oil. If it sizzles, then it's ready. I'm not gonna OD, I'm gonna just wet my fingertips and salt bay it.
Gonna mix this in.
Back up, babe. That's ready, back up, babe. Babe! That's ready. That's as ready as nothing.
You're gonna mix this up, let it marinate for about 10 minutes.
The water, I only salt baited. Like, how could you, Callie, you good? You good, my boy? Yeah, so he's putting it in there to marinate or whatever, and I'm gonna dip them in the cornstarchy flour, and this needs to cool off. Alright guys, so the method I got for this is I pretty much just take it out of the batter, dip it in the flour, then I take it back out of the flour and dip it back in the batter if I feel like it's not coated enough, and then I double take again and put it back in the flour to then drop it in the oil. As you can see here, I'm dropping it in the oil, and the oil is not agreeing with me, so Babe is gonna have to take over for sure. To my man, y'all, do y'all see how he's doing it ever so graciously, and there's no like oil, like, what is it called, like pull back or whatever you want to call it? Like, shout out for the men that get in the kitchen. Yeah, babe, show them how we get that batter right. All right, y'all, the first first batch, it was a little shaky, but I promise you, like the next ones after this, top notch. Y'all, let me tell y'all, the shrimp smells amazing. We almost had a little fire, but it's okay. Me and Babe watch 911. We know what to do. Alright guys, so we're doing the second batch right now, and then hopefully we got one more batch, but if not, you put all of them in there?
No, because I didn't put it there.
3 minutes, starting now.
Look at you. You wish you would have done it. Yeah guys, so if y'all looking at our shrimp, the second batch is giving very much Popeye's chicken. Yeah, and that's because of me. That's how they supposed to look, really and truly. Can you put it up so they can see it? The batch before that was trying to start a fire, a house fire if you will, but we got on track. The nice golden brown. We got one last batch to go, and then we're gonna start the bang bang sauce, and then we're gonna hit the what's those called, tortilla shells. I'm putting those in the air fryer because honestly, like, I'm not about to back out a skillet, and no, I'm not doing that. Alright guys, we about to taste test the golden brown one. Can y'all even see that? Is it focusing on it? I ain't a YouTuber like that. I don't know how to do that. They're piping hot. They just came out of the flame. I mean the grease. But I'm gonna try it when it slows down. I mean, what the? Can I not talk today? I don't know how to focus it on this. I think I did it without no hand. Check me out. First one didn't taste bad. Babe, how'd yours taste?
It was alright.
Alright.
Yeah, it was alright.
It don't taste good?
Like the coating of it was like pretty chewable. I was thinking about putting it back in the pot.
Alright, we gonna cut that out because he don't know what he's talking about. Mine's crunchy. Taste that. You hear that crunch? Alright guys, I'm gonna taste it. It's good, but it's hot. It's really good. I like mine. I'll give mine a 9 out of 10, 8 out of 10. Okay guys, so I'm about to make the sauce for the bang bang sauce, and the recipe calls for a half cup of mayo, 3 tablespoons of Thai sweet chili sauce, and 3 tablespoons of sriracha. So right here I got the Thai sweet red chili. I got some type of sriracha. I don't eat sriracha, so I got this regular one from the store, and I'm about to go get the mayo.
Does it feel to be so persuasive? That marijuana, she's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be? Feel like the feeling of a suppress. Feel like I got new breasts. Feel like I needed rest. Feel it's the season I should let go, and that's the reason I'm about now. Feel it's the season I should fly so low. I'm so sedated, and she's so persuasive. This isolation, so sweet you could taste it. It's 8 in the morning, moonlight y'all be yawning. It's 3 in the morning, and I'm still performing.
I'm about to cut up the cilantro and put the tacos in the air fryer. Babe, how many tacos you want?
2. And I'm gonna start cleaning up while I pour this.
You gonna start cleaning up. I'm gonna I want 2 too, I think. Bro, they're mad good. Like, I would really rate this a 9.5, 9.2 out of 10.
You bugging.
What's your rating?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. They're really good. Now let me tell you, disclaimer. Yes, I will list everything we did in the description box below. However, you're not me. So it's like the seasoning, babe, back me up, come on. The seasoning I do.
Terrific.
Thank you. It's taking a little long to come in. The key to seasoning to make things taste good is you gotta season your batter, your flour, and your shrimp. I season all. And I mean, like, you gotta be me. You gotta be cooking. But yeah, we'll be right back while that's heating up and I cut the cilantro. I'm gonna show you the finished product of our tacos. We're getting ghetto in the kitchen. I kind of want to get a squirt bottle to make the sauce just on top for the, you know, the ending. But we don't have none in the house, so I'm gonna make it in a Ziploc bag, and I'm gonna cut the Ziploc bag open like how you do icing. Yeah, why not, right? And now I'm about to add the sriracha. I think it takes 2 tablespoons of this. If it don't, I'm putting 2 because I don't know how people eat sriracha. It's just not good to me. Yeah, this looks nasty right now, but I'm gonna shake it up. I'm gonna mix it up in the bag. Alright. I'm gonna just bite a little hole right here. Well, I'm gonna cut a little hole because I'm not biting this. We got mayonnaise in it.